So bonjour, non femme c'est Wendy. Bienvenue dans channel moi. Je dis à moi gain deux belles demoiselles ensemble avec. À droite moi c'est
KJ.
So à gauche moi
Elizabeth.
So moi dis nous merci avec tout le monde qui regardé vidéo première vidéo nous te posté yo. Et moi dis merci à monde qui te subscribe to notre channel qui est abonné avec channel. S'il vous plaît si vous aimez vidéo ça pas oublier pour abonner et puis share avec l'autre monde. La fini tout, rendre service, aller sur vidéo seulement qui est KJ Beauty. So m'a quitté un link là en bas et puis pour aller sur channel on va joindre vidéo pour comment pour faire maquillage, comment pour faire cheveux, tout le bagage encore. S'il vous plaît, à regarder vidéo pour pas perdre ça. So je dis à nous gagnons un bel sujet, c'est chouette vidéo côté nous choisir quatre artistes haïtiens. Côté vidéo c'est smash or pass. So nous pas perdre un peu de temps, so nous commencer avec vidéo. Stay tuned. Je vais te l'enlever. Si nous aimons artiste on a dit smash, si nous pas aimons artiste on a dit pass. C'est comme ça la vie. So pour nous pas perdre du temps et puis pour nous pas juste si me connaît c'est smash man soit pass, me ka juste copier. So nous pas si nous gagner dire les Gavin.
I took a lot of pictures of him, not just one.
I was just about to be like, pass.
So everybody smash.
Deuxième artiste nous gagne c'est Nick Kinson. Puis donc
Wait, I can't see yours good. What is it?
I said smash, oh my god, but no, but he's not bad though, he's not bad, but I tried to say pass, but I choose the wrong
You
one.
should look at it.
So smash or pass?
I would pass,
Pass.
but he's not bad, he got a good body, he got bon corps, but I pass with it, he pass.
So all three of us, nous tous les trois pass.
Nous allons regarder ça mesdames yo choisi pour petit José ni moyen. So est-ce que nous smash or pass pour lui?
3, 2, 1. Whoa, hold on. I meant pass.
She's lying. Mati la bay. I know que she loves petit José.
No.
Petit José n'est pas mal. Mais si me pas j'aime parce que toute photo lui fait avec groupe yo avec l'autre monde. But il vraiment funny. So follow him. If you follow him on Instagram, you will know he's really funny.
Okay, il funny, but je ne fais cheveux là pas bon. Il vient garder tout un vieux grand monde. Il met un couleur blanche sur cheveux, il va bon.
I mean c'est stylé.
Eh.
Et pour que ça?
At least it's smashed. At least they don't say like to dip that person. But I wouldn't smash him. Nope.
You will smash him?
I said I wouldn't.
She said I wouldn't.
Alan Carvey. Oh, moi mes musique Alan Carvey. So
3, 2, 1. Wait, pass?
So I pass.
All three of us pass.
But Woody Woodboy, John would judge it now. So nap smash with it or nap pass with it?
3, 2, 1.
I pass.
Ooh, somebody smashing.
Why you want to smash him?
Oh, I'm the only one?
Yes. Why?
Why?
He's good looking.
good
There's
looking?
nothing wrong with him.
Okay.
He look normal. Like a normal human being.
Okay, but I'll smash. I mean, I'll pass.
Pass.
Okay.
Next.
I call Brown. So
Yes, yes.
I see him.
so est-ce que nap smash?
Okay, but
I'll smash.
I'll smash him. Yeah.
He's cute. He's cute.
He is
We're
cute.
gonna create some Asian
Yeah, and then
He's really cute. He's really cute.
Michael Guérin. Non vague. So this one artist non vague. So now smash or pass?
3, 2, 1.
Smash him.
I'll pass him.
I smash him.
he
I
got.
love my fat boy, so give me some fat boy.
I feel like he have a cute baby face, but at the same time, I wanna pass him.
Smash.
I had pass him. He's cute. He has
No, wait, you lying. You will not pass him.
Listen,
You better
That's
have
a
good
lie.
reason.
She will not pass him.
No, I still want to smash him, but at the same time, I want to pass him. He's too cute. I don't want to have any.
cute?
Yeah.
I mean, you guys kind of look like brothers and sisters.
Wait, how you gonna say he's too cute and you're not
No,
gonna...
the problem is why I want to pass him. Parce que je connais pas pile problème avec des demoiselles ça qui veulent smash li hein. So m'pa vle al nan ken problème. Ou connais l'on mon moun trop obligé laguer lui. And
Next.
no gen Mac Harmonique. Bang be that lo summer.
Yes,
Oh
it's
my
getting
God.
hot in there.
Will you pass or smash?
3, 2, 1. Smash.
I pass
Hold on.
him.
You pass him?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. L'elle son bas blanc de plus
Wait,
belle.
she said
Longtemps.
Yeah, she say pass.
Oh my
Okay, listen. Okay, raison qui fait ma smash is m'a parler de Kounia, but longtemps, I mean, ni ka toujours reprendre mel encore, but longtemps t'es vraiment gardé. You know?
Yeah, longtemps. C'est longtemps ma smash. Vous connaissez la J. Perry official. So will you pass or smash?
3, 2,
1.
1.
Smash.
Pass. Oh,
Why?
you're smashing.
Okay, why?
I don't know. It's just.
What do you mean?
I just pass him.
He's just average. Like,
Yeah,
how
he's
we-
average. Like he pas gagné like differently. I feel like
Oh, so he's not your type.
I guess. So I'll pass. But he's cute. He's not bad looking. He's cute, but I'll still pass.
How about if he grows some hair? Would you still?
I'll still pass.
Okay.
Okay.
He look good here, but I'll still pass.
Les chauves. Il va chauffer les chauves là.
Yeah, sure.
Les durette. Durette. Oh, les durette.
Durant.
So, au lieu durette, est-ce que n'a smash ou n'a pass?
3, 2, 1.
Pass him.
Pass.
Oh my God. How come we pass my telly? And I'm not giving them, I
We're
smash
all
it.
smashing.
I smash him. Oh, I smash him. Hallelujah.
Guys,
Alright, wait. Why are you
Guys.
passing?
I'm passing.
What happened? Come on, girls, see it. Hey.
Yeah, you gotta have another
Hey.
look. Like double
See
look.
a double look. How come you?
He got the pretty fist, but then it gonna be like if I was to smash him, it would be like madam.
Mais madame papa,
C'est Madame Papa.
mais madame papa, regardez madame papa, qui madame papa,
Monsieur Madame Papa. But if not about that, it's smash or pass. So you pass.
I pass.
No game Paul Bo. Point.
I don't know.
3, 2,
Come on, fun going to Rasta. No,
3, 2, 1.
I smash it.
I'll pass him.
Timon sa, yo pa kon guyo. But I smash him.
Why?
Yo pa kon guyo. I mean, I smash him for cheveux. Yon bel cheveux. C'est black Jésus. I mean, the black Jesus.
Jesse with Rasta hair.
The black Jesus.
Jesse
Next.
with Rasta.
The black.
Next.
No, look at it. That's a black Jesus.
Next. No, you smash him parce que regardez ton coup Jésus. Next.
Okay, next is Nanzo.
Oh, so.
But not so for artist though.
Fon meton.
Listen na ba
Yeah, Nou a ka kite nazo na.
Okay, smash or pass.
I'm a smash. Smash.
He did good. Like, il voye nou an lè. Pali mè seman but ekip lan voye nou an lè. So, smash.
Ma smash parce que gen bon.
My name is Elizabeth Joachim, and
Fire.
I have 3 of my sister Nanzo. 3.
Nanzo.
Oh no, sorry, 2 of us.
Nazon parle français.
Oh.
Tu dois parler français.
Nanzo. Je suis gay. 2. awesome, yo. Tu vas smash et tout le day.
Tu vas smash to let it. Oh
That's
my
it.
god. That's why Nazan would not call you because your French was like horrible.
Okay, next.
Your French is fast. Nou gen konye la ti sabat.
Qui a ça dans le petit sabbat là?
Not the dad, but ti sabat.
Okay. You back a photo?
It's on
Oh, no, that's
Okay.
the one.
You got a cute me.
Yeah, he's cute. He's cute. He's
Okay.
cute.
3, 2, 1. Nap smash ou bien nap pass? Map smash.
Why you want to pass him?
Why you pass it? Oh, I pass him because there's just something. My connection. There's something speaking to me saying, no, there is no connection to him. That's it.
I'm done. I'll smash him. He
I'll
looks
smash
cute.
him.
Next.
Nou gen David Gergier.
Okay.
D Gergier.
DJ.
3, 2, 1.
I have my picture of him though.
Sis.
I'll pass him. You know why? Li get top tattoos to me. Kon pa nga isi ito.
Oh my
Li
god.
avek tattoo an, li gen zan nou an.
He's something else.
You didn't see that? That.
Kon nga si an tou kon sa. Konon sa.
Avakabo sa.
Me vakabon. Depi yo gen tattoo men ke mounan se de pastel te. Gen kol depi yo gen tattoo se vakabon.
So ta fel mette vest? Le la
Non, but li gen tout nan cool.
I mean vest like call to
Vakabon.
la.
No.
Me kabe.
So, on bagay nan figil.
Parce li twa long. Parce ok, won. So si mwen kote mon visage long, it's not a problem. So
Yeah. I'll just...
ni wo bel ti couleur, cheveux si haut, bel boine,
Dance with
li kon chante.
chante.
Oh, ki mizik kon
Li
fè?
danse,
Li fon
li
bon
kon
mizik.
pa
Come on.
Li kon fè te baka, li kon fè manje.
Li son plat complet. Li kon fè manje, li kon chante, li bel gason, li wo tout bagay. So, listen, I'm smashing.
smashing him.
I'm smashing him.
She's smashing him.
I'm smashing. I smash him.
Okay.
Okay, bye guys. Thank you. Merci pour temps nous, pour patience nous. Et si nous aimez vidéo comme ça, s'il vous plaît, like vidéo,
Like.
abonnez vidéo,
Abonnez vidéo, hein.
share avec l'autre monde. Et puis, on l'autre fois, dans l'autre vidéo. Bye.